What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to talk about Baby Doge and why I believe Baby Doge will 100x in the future. So let's go over this. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely hit that like button and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. And this video is brought to you by marsellis.beatstars.com. If you need any background music for your YouTube videos, or if you just need beats for your music, I got you. And remember, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this is financial advice, but let's get started. So yesterday and the day before that, I mentioned something about Baby Doge. I mentioned this resistance up here. And notice how this is exactly where we stopped at. Because these indicators, they pretty much show when we have high demand and low demand inside of Baby Doge, which really shows where our resistance is. So this red area here indicates that this is a low demand area for our supply and demand. So since we are at this low demand area, we're now hitting this resistance. I drew these lines yesterday explaining how the resistance that we're going to have is going to be stopped at this line. And that's exactly what we're doing now. So you're seeing that we are actually kind of a little bit above it now. Like we hit the resistance line and we're just a little bit above it. And it kind of seems like it wants to continue to go up. But I'm going to give you now two more scenarios. What would happen if Baby Doge became bearish and bullish? So obviously, since we're looking like we're bullish right now, and we are pretty bullish, you can see over here, 24-hour market controls in control by the bulls by 80%. So we're 80% bullish here. But let's just kind of talk about where our next resistance is. So I drew this line yesterday as well. So our next resistance is also up here at 1800. Now you're probably wondering where I got this resistance line from. You can actually see there was a very, very dull line right here. And it's a very dull resistance line that we have. Now, if you go over to the 4-hour chart, which is the more long-term chart, because we're at the 15M chart. But if you look at the 4H chart, then you can see this inside of real time here with Baby Doge. So look at that resistance line up there. That's exactly where our resistance is at. So our next area for Baby Doge is going to be this area right here. And that's pretty much going to bring us over to the 1-8 area. So we're going to be at 8Z18 whenever we have our next resistance. So whenever that happens, I don't know. We're definitely going to do that and probably have a little bit of a pullback and then a nice pump next. So the next pump after that would then bring us up here to this resistance. So this is looking nice. You know, Baby Doge is pumping huge here. And yeah, this is at the 23 area. Now, looking at everything else is doing so bad compared to Baby Doge. Look at this. They're all just moving sideways, whereas Baby Doge literally up 8.4% in the last 24 hours. That's pretty big. Now 10.1%. Since we started the video, we went up almost 2%. So this is huge here. And the fact is like most of the meme coins are up. Like Shiba Inu is up. You know, Shiba Inu is no longer a meme coin, but still, Sheep is up. Yeah, Doge is not up too much, but it still is up a little bit. But yeah, I'm looking here and I'm seeing like a lot of these different cryptos are like moving sideways, but we do have some that are up, and that's actually pretty good. But anyways, moving on from there, let's talk about something else with this technical analysis. Like I said, this is the bullish scenario. Now, if we were to become bearish, let me show you what we would see here for Shiba Inu. So first of all, our bottom support is all the way down here, and it's not the complete bottom, but right now is what we're looking at as the bottom. That's all the way down here at 8Z9. So that's pretty much what we're looking at, 8Z9 or 9Z9 down there, 9 zeros and a 9. So that's what we're looking at for our bottom support here. Now, if we were looking at the 15M chart, you'd probably be able to see the support a lot better here. So we have minor support here for Baby Doge. And this area here is pretty much stopped at the 1450 area. So yes, this is 8Z1450. That's where we have some minor support. You can even see over here, minor support on this area here with Baby Doge. So since we have that minor support area there, now our next support would pretty much be down here, which is major. It's pretty major. It goes all the way from this area here, which is 1380, all the way down to our 1250 support. So that's what we have for our bearish scenario. But personally, I think we're going to be bullish out of this because we're still doing some really nice pumps. We're still moving up really nice in Baby Doge. And you can even see over here our rank now at 136. If you watch at the beginning of the video, the rank says 138. Now it says 136. So that speaks volumes right there. Now, I also want to mention something about this rank. We were like all the way up at that 168 area, 170-ish. And we were like even previously at the 200s way before all this. But for Baby Doge to be back at 136, this is huge. A lot of these other cryptos can't get all the way up here. And I'm not going to even show coin market cap because honest, like CoinMarketCap, they're still not showing Baby Doge. Like they're literally still not showing our rank correctly. If you actually go over here and look at the ranking, it says 230. I mean, maybe it's correct on their scale. We were all the way at the 2000 ranking, but now it's at 230. So maybe on their scale it's correct because they have different cryptos listed. So they have a different, list. But still, I like to look at CoinGecko. It just looks a lot better for Baby Doge. But anyways, kind of looking at Bitcoin here. Bitcoin not doing many moves at all, just moving sideways here. We're really stuck at this resistance. We broke above it just very briefly and then immediately went down below it. Now we're breaking above it again. But let's see if this is going to be a brief bullish run or is this just going to go down like the previous one. Now, when you look at the oscillator, we are coming off this oversold area. So this whole area here is what's oversold. So what comes after that? Pretty much buying, a huge buying wave. But look at how that wave is kind of starting to get smaller now. Now we have a peak at this wave. So you actually may see Baby Doge going down a little bit lower. Or not Baby Doge, but Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin. But yeah, like I said, we're probably going to see Bitcoin dropping back down to the mid 20K areas. So definitely look out for that. I want to show a few other things here with Bitcoin because right now we're just at the 15M chart. And like I said, 15M chart is pretty short term. But like when you look at it, Bitcoin's resistance at 22.8K is really nothing. It's really nothing compared to like what Baby Doge is doing on the gains side. But what I really do believe is going to happen next for Bitcoin, we could have some more selling coming in Bitcoin if people don't, if people are like spreading the FUD, the fear, uncertainty, and doubt. But anyways, all this is just, it's all speculation. Let's be completely honest. Anything can happen with Bitcoin right now. It could just take off. But anyways, I just wanted to focus more on Baby Doge today. I just kind of wanted to point out that Bitcoin being down like so much, but Baby Doge is up huge. So it's just crazy that Baby Doge is outpacing the whole market. But anyways, we're almost at 1.6 million holders. That's 1,575,209 holders. That's pretty good, almost 1.6 million. Now over here, Baby Doge is now listed on Symbiosis. Swap any coin to Baby Doge. Big shout out to also 243 for finding out about this. If you want to check it out, you can definitely check it out here. But moving on from here now, our last thing here, pretty much I want to talk about. Now we are $25,000 burned today. That's pretty big. Big shout out to also 243 for showing this. But yeah, this is pretty huge here. In the past 24 hours, 25K burned with Baby Doge, total of 100, or pretty much total of 15 trillion Baby Doge. And then within a week, we burned 77.3 trillion, which is $128,000. Now, just imagine what we're about to be at when you see Baby Doge just like completely take off. Like, just imagine how much we're going to be burning when we have all of this volume coming in. So our volume is pretty low right now, but still just think about how it will be when our volume is taken off. So that's pretty huge for us. And yeah, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. We're about to have another manual burn on the 1st of July. So get ready for that. But yeah, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over first. And also, this video is brought to you by Marsellis.beatstars.com. If you need background music for your YouTube videos or if you just need beats for your music, I got you. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video.